To inspect and adjust the drive belt tension on your Indian Chieftain, follow these steps. Park the bike on a flat, level surface and allow it to cool completely. Remove the upper side covers by pulling the corners straight out to disengage from the rubber grommets in the frame. To remove each saddlebag, first disconnect the saddlebag lock connector near the seat. Next, press the lid latch release button and lift the lid. Then remove the two saddlebag fasteners. Finally, tilt the saddlebag out and lift up to remove. Next, lift the motorcycle according to your owner's manual guidelines and elevate the rear wheel. The motorcycle must be stable before proceeding. Ensure the motorcycle is in neutral. Inspect the drive belt for damage and wear. Refer to your owner's manual for belt wear analysis. If inspection reveals a need for replacement, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer. Next, check and record the belt deflection next to the deflection window, applying 10 pounds of force. Ensure the belt is dry before measuring. Using the tire valve stem as a reference, measure at 3 additional points 90 degrees apart on the tire. If adjustment is needed, rotate the wheel forward and mark the tightest measurement point on the tire for reference. Also mark the current adjuster locations on both sides of the rear wheel for reference. Next, place a rag against the exhaust to prevent scratching the paint. Loosen, but do not remove the axle nut. Then, re-tighten the nut to adjustment specification. Turn the right side adjuster nut to achieve proper belt tension. When the belt tension is correct, inspect the belt for proper alignment. To minimize change in belt tension, use the left side adjuster only to make final adjustments to belt alignment. Ensure the axle is seated forward against the axle adjusters during this procedure. While rotating the wheel backward, tighten the left side adjuster nut until the drive belt is centered in the driven pulley. Sprocket teeth should be visible on both sides of the drive belt. Once the desired setting is achieved, rotate the wheel forward and verify the sprocket teeth are still visible on both sides of the drive belt. If necessary, revert back to the initial settings and repeat this process as needed. Recheck drive belt tension to verify it is still within specification. Improper tension or alignment can cause driveline noise and damage the drive belt. Tighten the rear axle nut to final specification. Pump the rear brake pedal several times to reset the brake pad distance. Verify the wheel rotates smoothly and freely without drag when the brake pedal is released. Safely lower your motorcycle to the ground. Refer to your owner's manual for helpful hints and techniques. To reinstall the saddlebags, place each bag in a fully seated position on the muffler. Reinstall the saddlebag fasteners and torque to specification. Then, reconnect the electrical wiring if necessary and ensure the saddlebags are mounted properly. Finally, align the 3 side panel grommets and reinstall each upper side panel. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.